Ma, summer baga.
Oh.
Banana Island kita? Oo nga. Ano? Okay, let's go!
Ops, wait lang. Masyado pang maaga. Balik muna tayo.
Kuya. Ready ka na? Ready ka na? Saan nga tayo pupunta?
Banana Island.
Yes, sir! Ayan na, nag-ready na mga person. Ma, saan ikaw mapunta? Saan ikaw?
Sa Saging Island.
Let's go to Banana Island. Here we come. Let's go! Drive lang. Pupunta na kami sa port. With my fam. Tamang enjoy lang. Tamang chill, tamang relax habang off. 15 to 20 minutes galing sa place namin. Siguro. Sobrang init ngayon. Okay, tapos na kami sa reception. 1 PM pa naman yung departure, yung boat, so antay muna kami. Tamang tambay lang muna, upo-upo. Tamang ikot muna. Ganda yung place. Very Instagrammable. Okay, boarding na kami. Sakay na kami ng boat going to Banana Island. Kuya, dito ka.
Yeah, we're going to Banana.
Ano? Masabi mo?
Banana Island.
Saan ka pupunta?
Banana Island.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Bye.
Captain Eric and the crew, once again welcome you on board. This trip to Banana Island Resort Doha will take about 30 minutes. We are expecting everyone to
Okay, baba na kami. Baba na. Let's go, Kuy. Let's go. Dito tayo. Dito na tayo. Baba. wakas, nandito na kami. Welcome to Banana Island. After 20 to 30 minutes, we're here. Hindi na pwedeng kita pwedeng up. Look at that. Okay, we're here now. Siyempre, hindi tayo magpa-picture dyan. Yan yung mga nakikita natin sa Facebook. Tingnan nyo naman yung lugar. Dito pa lang maganda na yung lugar eh. So how much more sa loob. So pasok muna kami dyan kasi baka may check pa yung reception dyan. Para, according naman sa kanila 3 PM pa talaga yung check-in, pero kung available na yung room pwede na kayong pumasok. So let's see mamaya ulit. So ayun sa receptionist, we're so lucky kasi available na agad yung room namin. Kasi supposed to be 3 PM pa yung check-in time. So ano pa lang, mag-aalas 2 pa lang. So swerte kami. Kasi nga ready na yung available na. Ready na ba yung room namin? So mamaya papakita namin yung room namin kung let's see kung okay naman. Pero sa tingin ko okay siya. Siyempre naman. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Kasi dapat relax lang. How's my lovely wife? Wow, yan. Yan ang dapat. Happy life, happy wife, happy wife. Happy wife, happy life. Ninay, water pa, water. Wow, very good now. Si kuya man daw, kuya. We're going now to the room with mom. Hi mom.
I would like to explain you that this one is called the breakfast plate.
Check it out. Yeah, no problem. Let's do exercise. Nakita naman sa unahan. Very nice. Yeah. So taas kami. Taas tayo para makita natin lahat ng ano, yung view talaga ng Banana Island. Exercise ba? Exercise.
ganda. Uy! Oopsie! 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 Ang ganda na. Ganda naman. Mr. Oliver.
Huwag ka na magdalang fingers, meron na. Meron na dalang fingers.
I want to explain you that
Yeah.
if you go this way, yeah,
Uy, may kinitang wino. I want.
Grabe yung room.
Yung talaga.
yeah, may bayad yun.
So yung room namin sa taas.
Ay, pala, kumain ka na. Daddy,
Pero ang
may
ganda.
first na tulog.
Ang ganda. Tingnan mo naman laki.
Isip ng dalawa. Hindi na, isip. Pare. Enjoy.
There, look. That's good. I hear it's an airplane. Is it an airplane?
Okay. Lakad-lakad na.
Let's go drive.
Punta kaming Cool Mint. Para sa mga bata.
Cool mint! Cool mint!
Cool Mint para sa mga bata. Nakatulog kasi yung bata, yung isa, si Nini. So inantay muna namin magising. Hello sir, how are you? So inantay muna namin magising bago umalis. So yung itinerary namin ngayon, punta muna namin Cool Mint. Then kids Cool Mint. Then mamaya baka pwede na mag-swimming kasi yung isang swimming data din 7 o'clock hanggang 7 o'clock lang.
Pindot mo ko yung ground G.
Ground G.
Ground G. Di
Ground
ba
G.
napindot ko, hindi nag-ilaw yan.
Uy. Dilim. Ang dilim. Ninay. Ano bang mag golf cart ba or
Paano
lakad lang?
makata mo po?
Saan floor tayo sa 1%?
Second floor. Saan tayo ma? Saan yung ano niya? Diyan lang.
Trying to get you to come see my place. Take a look around, we do this every day. Yeah, can you please hop off my way? And you ain't ready for life in the fast lane. You don't fuck with this at all. I heard you live with your mom. Too bad she don't live with a boss. Might have to give you a job. Be here at 8:30 sharp. Work for me, baby move for me, twerk for me. Something new I need to see. Back on the scene, we on the screen. You can just keep the sauce. Way too busy with the bunnies. Off white like the Pope. Italian food in my tummy. Underground like Tubman. Mixing music like Two-Man. Middle fingers to Uncle Sam. 45 with the toupee. Me and my niggas, we cleaning the toothpaste. We go on Tuesdays. Flying loopy like toucans. Baby roof like Graceland. Way up like text hit my phone. Walk through the halls, knock on my door. Can bite my tongue when you break my jaw. Oh damn, yes man, vacay in the hot sand, secret location. That shit's sacred, and the best virtue, that's patience. Racing in the whip, that's spacious. Niggas can't wait to hate the cadence rate. Shot a movie on a Super 8, like the fighting blue, not the Super 8. What you think? I don't really have a spot to take. Give me brain, I need some time to think. Wait, hold up, I forgot your name. Thanks. Trying to get you to come see my place. Take a look around, we do this every day. Yeah, can you please hop off my way? And you ain't ready for life in the fast lane. Why you still live with your mama? 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 Mama said I make $1 million. Why you still live with your mama?